In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to edit your book. If you've ever wanted to refine your writing, catch those pesky grammatical mistakes, or simply ensure that your manuscript is polished before publication, you're in the right place. Grammarly is a powerful tool that can help you with all of this. And today we'll show you how to get started on this journey toward a beautifully edited book. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Grammarly dashboard. This is your central hub, acting as a launching pad for all your documents. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to organize and access your work at any time. Now let's move on to creating a new document where the actual editing begins. You'll want to click on the New Document button, which will open up a blank workspace. This is your canvas, ready to accommodate all the writing brilliance you're about to enhance. Next, you'll need to import your book. Simply copy the text from your book file and paste it into this new document. Here's where the magic truly begins. With your text imported into Grammarly, go ahead and click on the Review Suggestions feature. You'll notice different parts of your text underlined in various colors, each signifying a suggestion. These suggestions can range from basic grammatical corrections to style enhancements that refine the flow and readability of your narrative. It's time to dive into these suggestions with a critical eye. Carefully evaluate each one, deciding which to incorporate into your document. Remember, Grammarly is an excellent guide, but it's important to maintain your unique voice and style. For instance, if Grammarly flags a phrase that perfectly captures your character's tone or your book's style, you might choose to ignore the suggestion. Trust in your judgment as an author. You know your manuscript best. Throughout this process, you'll notice that Grammarly efficiently highlights potential errors. This visual aid is incredibly helpful, allowing you to quickly pinpoint areas that may need adjustments. However, it's important to keep in mind that while Grammarly is incredibly helpful, it's always best to pair it with your insights as an author or seek a professional editor for a more nuanced critique, especially for larger manuscripts. Finally, once you've reviewed all the suggestions, assess any remaining issues and make your final decisions on whether to accept or reject Grammarly's advice. By doing this, you ensure that your manuscript is not only grammatically correct, but also consistent with your narrative style and voice. And there you have it. By using Grammarly,